In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up iContact. We'll start right at the beginning by creating your account. Head to iContact.com and click Sign Up. Choose a plan that matches your current audience size and growth goals, then register with your business details, email address, and a secure password. After you complete sign up, log in to your iContact dashboard. Take a moment to verify that your company name, physical address, and business email are accurate. This information appears in your email footer and helps you comply with email regulations like CAN spam, which require clear sender details. Before sending anything, configure the basic account settings. Complete your profile and sender information so recipients immediately recognize who the message is from. Add your full business address and set the reply to email where you want responses to go. It's best to use a monitored inbox for replies and to keep your from name and from email consistent across campaigns to build trust and improve deliverability. Next, create your first contact list, which is the audience you'll send emails to. In the dashboard, go to Contacts and then Lists, and create a new list. Give it a clear, memorable name like newsletter subscribers and save it. Consistent naming will help you stay organized as your audience grows and you create more segments later. Now it's time to add contacts. If you're moving an existing audience into iContact, go to Contacts and Import. Then upload a CSV file with columns for email and any other fields you want to use, such as first name or company. Map each column to the correct iContact field and choose the list you created. Make sure every contact has given you permission to email them. That will protect your sender reputation. If you're just starting out, you can also add contacts individually from the Contacts area. With your list ready, create your first email campaign. Go to Email and Campaigns, then choose Create New Campaign. Pick a template or start from scratch. Use the drag and drop editor to customize your subject line, pre-header text, content, and images. Keep your message clear, include relevant links, and make sure your brand colors and logo are present. Save your design as you go. When you're ready, proceed to send. Select the list you created and choose to send now or schedule for later. Scheduling during your audience's peak hours can improve engagement. Confirm and launch. After sending, open the report section to track performance. Watch open rates, click rates, bounces, and unsubscribes. Use these insights to refine subject lines, content, and timing for your next campaign.